Good morning, children. Okay, so we have finished lesson number 2, all the question answers and the objective type also. Today we feel very good and happy. We are going to the animals world, isn't it? So we learn how they eat, how they live. You might have seen many animals around you. Some animals are around you which you can see, but some animals you cannot see them. Only they will be living in the forest, jungles. Now the animals which are living around you, did you observe any time their mouth part, how they walk, how they live, how they breathe, and mainly all the animals also need food to live. They cannot prepare their own food. They have to go in search of food. Is it not? You have learned plants making their own food. They cannot move from one place to another. But here animals, they move from one place to another place. They run after the food. You have seen, is it not? Many times. The domestic animals and the wild animals also. Wild animals, we don't find it here. But the domestic animals you have seen, is it not? What are they? Do you know the names? Cat, dog, goat, sheep. These are the domestic animals. And some animals they eat only plants. Some animals they eat only the meat, flesh of other animals. And some animals they eat both. Is it not? Some animals they eat both. They will not face any problems. They can eat sometimes only the meat also, and sometimes they can eat only the plants also, leaves also they can eat. But animals, when they eat only the plants, they will have the problem. And animals, they eat only the meat, they will also cannot survive without that. Okay, and these are the categories. Now, you might have recognized which lesson we are going to learn. I'll show you some pictures of this lesson. Some are habitats living. This is the animal kingdom. Is it not? Can you see? These are the animals kingdom. Jungles. Some are eating flesh. Some are eating nuts. Some are eating the vegetables. Is it not? Some are living on the trees. So this is the animal kingdom. Animals kingdom. Now come, these animals have divided into 3 categories as per their eating habits, food eating habits, and their mouth part is also different. Is it not? When you see a dog, can you see dog comes under the omnivores? Have you seen? And the plant eating animals also, how are they? Goat and sheep, see their mouth part. But can you see the, did you see the elephant? Elephant's mouth part and the lion, tiger's mouth part also. So, those animals are divided into 3 categories as per their eating. Match the mouth parts of animals to their eating habits. Okay, shall we do that? Shall we learn what are those animals? And they are dividing into 3 categories, 3 groups. They are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. What are those 3 groups of animals? Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores animals, they eat only plants. Animals that are eating only plants, they are called herbivores. Spelling is Herbivores. Herbivores. And in the herbivores, the examples you can give, all you can give: goat, sheep, horse, zebra, elephant, giraffe, deer, etc. These are the animals concerned in the herbivores. But in this also there are two parts. They are domestic and wild animals. Domestic animals means the animals which are around us, in and around us. It comes under pet animals also. What are the pet animals? Cat, dog, and sometimes rabbits also they do keep in our houses. Those are the pet animals. Okay. Then wild animals. Can we see the wild animals? Can we keep them in our houses? No, we cannot keep them. Now you have one thing you have to do it. Write the domestic animals names and wild animals herbivores names only. Don't mix it. Don't club it together. Okay. What are herbivores animals? Animals that eat only plants. They are called herbivores. Herbs means it comes grass and the leaves. These two things these herbivore animals eat. I'll give you the examples of these herbivores animals. Herbivores animals, what are they? Cow, goat, sheep, horse, zebra, giraffe, elephant comes under the herbivores animals. Yes, we have seen now herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores, animals that eat only plants, are called herbivores, and the examples are cow, goat, horse, zebra, giraffe and elephant. In this, whatever the examples I have given you, you have to divide into two groups again, that is domestic and wild. Can you find out the animals? What are which are domestic and which are wild? Domestic animals: cow, goat, horse are the domestic animals. We can find them around us. And wild: zebra, giraffe and elephant. These are the wild animals. Again in the herbivores. Now coming to the carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals, you have seen how wild they are. They hunt the other animals. How fast they go. They are very energetic. Why? Because to get the food, they get energy. They run after the other animals and hunt. Animals that eat only flesh of other animals, they are called carnivores. They are called carnivores. Examples: lion, tiger, wolves and cheetahs. They are all wild animals. They eat flesh of other animals. You might have seen many times in the Animal Planet channel in the TV how they hunt zebra, cheetahs, lions and all. They run after the deer also and they catch. They run after the wild buffalo also, they catch. Is it not? They eat those animals. Now what are omnivores? Omnivores means some people they eat meat also, and some people they eat vegetables also. So people are also coming under the omnivores only. But animals that eat both plants and animals, they are called omnivores. Examples: bear. Bear eats the fruits also, vegetables also, and fish also it eats. Crow, it can eat grain also and the insects also. Many times you might have seen the rats which dead rats, they immediately they come and jump on the rats and they will be eating them. So crow, pig, dog, cat and hen. Hen, they eat insects and grains also, both. So that's why these are the omnivores. Dog, have you seen? What do they eat? When we put chapati, chapati also it eats, and also it eats the hen and flesh of other animals. So that's why these animals are categorized in the omnivores. Now herbivores, once again I'll repeat this. Food habits of these animals. Herbivores, animals, again they are divided into three categories. What are they? First one is herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. What are herbivores? Herbivores, animals that eat only plants, are called herbivores. What is the spelling of herbivore? Herbivores. Herbivores. What are the examples? Cow, goat, horse, zebra, giraffe and elephant. Then carnivores. What are carnivores? Animals that eat only flesh of other animals. They are called carnivores. Examples: lion, tiger, wolves and cheetahs. Now learn the spelling of carnivores. 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 Omnivores. Learn the spelling of omnivores. 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 What are omnivores? Omnivores that eat both plants and animals, they are called omnivores. Examples: bear, crow, pig, dog, cat and hen. So in this bear you cannot see, it's very rare, but crow, pig, dog, cat and hen, these are the common animals which we can find in and around us. Observe when they are eating, how they eat, and see the mouth part also, how they are eating. Okay, now open your textbook, children. Open your textbook. I'll show you the animals. Page number 200 and 201. Go through it. Can you see the food habits of animals? Can see the horse, goat, giraffe, elephant and cow. They are all herbivorous animals. And here you can see lion, eagle, tiger and fox. They are all carnivorous animals. Even the snake is also comes under the carnivorous animals. Okay, now omnivorous animals: crow, pig, bear. So these are the omnivores, and few more examples I have given you in this So open your textbook, go through it, we'll read in our next video.